What's up YouTube? Dylan from Redline here, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to clean dirty exhaust tips. I will link all the products in the description below. In total it came out to under $15. Very cheap way to clean your tips. We have 3 quick and easy products for the process: some all-wheel cleaner, some Neverdol, and an old microfiber. As you can see here, my exhaust tips are pretty horrendous. We're going to start by spraying the all-wheel cleaner on to get rid of any abrasive materials. You just spray it all over the exhaust tip. All around it, get inside it. Put it pretty good, let it sit for a second. Now this will get rid of about 80% of the road grime and whatever stuff's built up on the tips. After you've done that, get a pinch of your Neverdol. Rubbing away at the tips. Now after scrubbing, you'll start to notice the residue and the grime start to come off. You can then take your microfiber, give it a wipe down. Will have shiny tips. Continue to rinse and repeat this method until the tips are to the standard that you like. After just a couple of minutes, here's a quick comparison. Now in the end, the exhaust tips came out pretty shiny, as you can see. And if this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I post automotive content 3 times a week. And thank you. Hope this helped. Have a good one.